Oh, YouTube. What? Yeah, it's my first time making a video with my new laptop. We got the same. Look at hers. Bring it over here. Hey, there's my kitty. Okay, we got the same kind of laptop. You know, it's red HP. Yeah, she's on Roblox. I'm on Facebook and YouTube. I'm just thinking about making a video. My kitty.
Oh, that's cold.
Cut. Oh.
Look at my sandwich!
I almost shoved it into the spotlight. So yeah, 106U, which I got this on 6:09 AM. I gotta fix it. And yeah, try to be getting an easy bit again. See, I'm in laptop. I'm not on the computer anymore, which is so slow, and then I'm on here so I can record some videos. So yeah, I'm gonna get easy bits, and then I'm gonna get Wizard 101, and then probably do some more videos like this, and then keep bar on my face, and
That's like that.
I know, I can't. And then I'm gonna do some more Roblox videos. I'm not stopping that, and I'm gonna try to find some new games on here. So yeah.
Come here.
Come here. And then for Christmas, I'm asking for a video game capture device so I can record on YouTube on there, plus in Minecraft. Okay, so this is my face. Goodbye, YouTube.
Bye!